Look, there's your garden. Go, turn around. Not under the car. Turn around. Go.
Go ahead. Good girl. Good girl. Bye-bye. Good girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good girl.
לא, זה טרנספורמציה, תן לראות שלא גרם נזק.
Come out. Come, Cookie. Out you go. Good boy. Good boy. תודה רבה.
רגע, נראה עכשיו אם אין לו זה.
מאיפה היא נכנסה אבל?
Hi, kitty. Come on out. Good girl. Okay. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice kitty.
He smells of infection from the mouth, and his eyes are all full of mucus. And I don't know if he'll be interested to eat at all. Here, you want? I don't think he can smell anything. I'm going to try cleaning his nose, which is full of mucus, his eyes, and maybe he'll eat something. And he's very dehydrated. Okay, this cat is lying down now and purring, believe it or not, purring and meowing while it's getting infusion from this infusion bag. He's really very affectionate, but very run down. Something is very wrong with the mouth. There's no doubt he's going to have to take him to Dr. Avram. Okay, he has a hard time breathing. I don't know if he has a lung infection or just that his nose is stuffed up. His mouth is a total mess. And we'll see what Dr. Avram does tonight. We have a 6:30 appointment. He's purring through all this difficulty. He's still purring. Oh, poor boy.